So, YouTube has recently introduced a new feature called 3 minutes longer shorts video, which means you can upload the YouTube Shorts video up to 3 minutes in duration. And previously, YouTube restricted the Shorts video durations are up to 60 seconds only. But from October 15 onwards, any videos that are vertical in format and under 3 minutes durations are considered as shorts. Firstly, when you try to check and upload the 3-minute shorts video on your mobile app, you will see that the video is trimmed and it is allowing to upload only the 60 seconds video. So, when you face a situation like this, you have got to upload the longer shorts video from your desktop like you do in the normal video uploads. I will explain how to do that. Go to your desktop and move on to the YouTube Studio. Click the Create button and select the Upload video. Now, browse your video and upload it like you would do for normal videos. Then, add your title, description, and select the tags. I usually fetch the tags from TubeBuddy tool and the rest of the settings. Well, my video processing is done. And when you notice the URL, it mentioned as shorts, which means YouTube considered this video as shorts video even though it is more than 1 minute long. So that's it. You can do the rest of the upload process. Right now, I will make this video as private and save the changes. And you see, the video automatically goes into the shorts category section rather than the video category section. That's it, guys. And I understand a few people's videos are still in the video categories even if they are uploading it as a vertical shorts video. It means YouTube will take some time to process your video and identify its format. Once YouTube confirms its check and identify your vertical video is within the 3 minutes duration, then it will actually move the video from the normal video tab to the shorts tab. So until these changes comes into the YouTube mobile app, kindly use this feature from your desktop only. Moreover, I got a response from few creators who said they are even now able to upload the 3-minute longer shorts video from their mobile app. But I can't figure out this option now in my mobile app. Let me know in the comment section if you are able to do that. And thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.